Hello my beautiful, amazing, exquisite family. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas and you're looking forward to a very wonderful new year. Can you all guess what I'm about to do in this video? I'm about to make some homemade ice cream. I have never done this before. This is the very first time I'm going to be doing or making ice cream at home, and this is inspired by DQ or Dairy Queen strawberry cheesecake blizzard. Guys, this is the very best. I love this ice cream, so I decided to replicate it and make it at home so that I can have enough stock up in my freezer. Yeah, I don't usually buy ice cream for the girls, even though they love it. I believe it is something they should have once in a while. After all, they are kids. Yeah, so this video was supposed to be part of the Christmas video, as it was part of our Christmas menu, but for some reason I felt like the video was too lengthy, so I had to make it a separate video. Yeah guys, you may not really have the best shots here because I didn't really take time to do it since I had so much to do in between. So but I just thought it necessary to share with you how I made this ice cream, and maybe if you're interested you can also do yours. It's very easy. 3 main ingredients, and at this point it all depends on the flavor you want to add in there, but if not, making ice cream is quite easy, guys.